In this video, I will show you how to turn off widgets on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, although the widgets can be quite handy, like for example this weather widget down here, it can get quite annoying and it's not really for everyone. So there is a way to actually turn these widgets off, and to do that, what you want to do from your desktop is come and hover over your taskbar, right click onto an empty space of your taskbar, and then you're going to see this menu come up. Click onto taskbar settings. Now in your taskbar settings, you're going to see at the top you've got taskbar items, and you can see the widgets option here. To turn off widgets, all you need to do is simply turn the switch off here, just like so, and once you've done that, as you can see, the widgets have now disappeared from the taskbar. So that's how to turn off widgets on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.